Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Royally Wrapped. This is a video continued of the Double Terminated Citrine because I had so many I decided to continue to videotape on, the whole project. So we're going to do it a little bit different this time. I've sped this video up because um, you guys can pause and fast forward and whatnot. So right here is a gorgeous, almost completely translucent citrine, and I'm showing this one first because there is a little chip on this. So you're going to see this little piece pop right off. This happens sometimes. It's better for you to get rid of the weak parts of the crystal than afterwards, or then you're going to have to trash the wrap and just start all over again. So we're just going to go ahead and make do. Still a beautiful crystal. It's going to look awesome either way. So I'm going to start with the wire, which is 21 gauge copper square wire. Run it straight down the back, and we're going to make a U shape right there where the chip is. So the chip is in a perfect place for this wrap. It's going to make the wire more, it's going to have something for it to grab onto because the the stone is smooth. So we're going to put the wire right up in that groove and swirl it around. I always like to tuck the bail up at the top. I am always reinforcing the bail. This is a dowel tool. I love this dowel tool. I got it at a special bead and gem fair. You can always look those types of shows up, like Google it, gem fair, GEM fair, or bead show. They always got crazy tools. And this one's definitely my favorite. If you don't have this tool or have the money to buy a tool, you can use something like a pencil or a pen to get that nice solid shape. So we run the wire through the bail 1.5 times all the way through. Straighten that out, and then we tuck it, that little piece, we're going to tuck it in the back. So I really clamp down with this angled plier. All of my tools I get at special bead shows or professional stores. We're going to wrap that around, make sure that's really tight, because that edge could really, it could poke you, or it could like tear your clothes even. I've done both. You don't want to do that. See, so that chip worked out really well. Gotta make do. Showing you how strong it is. I definitely put some pressure on the top, so I was pulling pretty hard. You always want to make sure that the stone is going to stay where it's at, or else pretty much what's the point, you need it to stay. You don't want to be out and about and then it falls, because then you just ruin your stone and you wasted some wire. So this is a finished product. So cute. Very pretty and clear. It's that one is my favorite out of the whole bunch. This one, obviously you can tell the difference. This one's got a lot more color. Again, these are citrine. I made a mistake in the last video. I said that these were heated with a metal that's present, and this is not heated with a metal present. That would be considered like an aqua aura crystal. It'll be like, quote unquote, the unicorn looking like with blues and purples, and it's quartz, so it's clear or white. This citrine is heat treated amethyst, so it I'm sorry, God, I messed up again. Okay, so it's ametrine. It's heat treated ametrine, so the amethyst has to have citrine present in order for it to actually be citrine. So that's what my mistake was. I said that it was heated with the metal present. There is no metal present. Um, it was an ametrine naturally, so they just enhanced these citrine. So metaphysically and um, you know, I guess realistically, it is a citrine um, now. And you find this, it's very common to see this orange yellow color, and it's beautiful. So obviously I sped this up because I have a much longer and more detailed video. You're more than welcome to go show some love on that one. So here I'm showing you the length of each crystal. That one's runs at about 2 inches. And I always use a wire that is triple the length because I like to be able to have little details. Run it down the back. I make a small loop so that way the point is showing at the bottom and it's caressing the shape of the stone, so it's perfectly centered. The shape is a prism. It's got six sides. They are shaped by a machine, but it is a real crystal. Again, an ametrine turned citrine. And I'm wearing a glove because I don't want the stone or the pendant really to be jumping out of my hand, because that happens sometimes. So if you've been watching my videos, I would love to just show you some love, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Details on the giveaway I'll put up in the next video. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. I have a little over 50 subscribers, so thanks to all of you so much. I'm really looking forward to doing this little giveaway. It'll be simple, like follow me on Instagram and share my video, comment, simple stuff. And I'm super excited because I just love being able to do this. Like, YouTube is so cool. I've always wanted to do this type of channel, and I finally was just like, why not? So I'm always straightening the bail. I like it nice and even. I'm going to put a little lightning bolt right here in the middle. So the lightning bolt serves a purpose to tighten the wire, and it also looks pretty fly. Straighten that out. And I'm always pulling on the bail to make sure it's nice and tight. So, like, mimicking, like, if it gets snagged on something, or, it gets pulled somehow. Just want to make sure that it'll stay. Alrighty, so do my final checks, and looks like we're done. So I'm going to put them all on my hand from biggest to smallest. The first three I did in the first video, titled Double Terminated Citrine. So we're going to do a size comparison from smallest to largest. These are absolutely stunning. I'm so happy with the way they turned out. I love the uniform look. I am a little bit OCD, so this is very satisfying for me. Go ahead and give me a comment or a like if you can agree. So again, I am going to be doing a giveaway. Please stay tuned for this next video. Thank you so much for watching Royally Wrapped. Stay tuned for what's coming next. See ya.